If you want to track your investments across multiple wallets across various blockchains, you can head to the Nansen portfolio by going to the left and hitting portfolio. You'll be welcome to this dashboard here. If you don't see anything, you might want to add your portfolio by clicking the drop down at the top and then creating portfolio. Now, once you've gotten that in, you can take a look at the first tab, which is called Overview. And this gives you key metrics such as your portfolio value, individual asset performance, staking positions, and overall trends. And you can adjust this focus based on token, protocol, chain, and address. So you can also filter this down by the given time date. And from there, you can also dive deeper into your holdings. So you can monitor your portfolio across value across wallets, NFTs, and protocols. And you can also take a look at the transactions tab, which lists all of the activity across your wallet within a chosen time frame. So it's 7 days, 30 days, a year, or all time. And if you notice any suspicious token transactions, you can enable the suspicious filter on at the top right here. Now, if you want to know if you're making gains, you can also check out our P&L tab. And this provides a clear view of your profit and loss across various time frames from the last 7 days all the way to the all-time performance. And another neat little tab here is the Simulator tab. And this lets you create what-if scenarios to explore how your portfolio value could change based on asset price shifts, volatility, or correlations. And you can adjust these factors using the slider here. So you can see it's adjusting according to how I want to move it around. And this will show the percentage change in portfolio value and the new total portfolio balance. Now, if you want to configure your portfolio to show a different currency, you can do so by going to the top right and changing the currency out of any of the options we provide. Now, what's neat about the portfolio is that it's not just tracking your own portfolio, but you can also track other portfolios that are out there. So, for example, I've taken this wallet right here, this meme coin whale, and I can copy the address like so. Then I can go back to my portfolio, create a new one, say meme coin whale at portfolio, enter the previously copied address, and then create. And go back to overview, and voila, you can see I am tracking this meme coin whales wallet. You can look at their holdings, transactions, their P&L, and so on. And so you see, if I go hit the drop down once more, I can manage multiple portfolios. I can even hit manage portfolio by deleting them, editing them, and so on. Now, if you want to see all of the different protocols we support, go at the top right, hit protocols, and you can see the list here. And we'll be continuously adding more as we go along. So that was getting started with Nansen's portfolio. Don't forget to check out the other videos as part of this 101 series so you can start using Nansen to surface the signal and create winners.